Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making lentil soup. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a bag of lentils, and I'm going to be going through this to make sure that there's no stones or dark pieces. You need 6 cups of water, 2 bay leaves, a couple of cloves of garlic, and this is all going to be cooked in one pot. And you need half an onion chopped, can of diced tomatoes, 2 to 3 ribs of celery chopped, about a cup of carrots chopped, a cup of potatoes. I like potatoes, so I'm going to be using 2 cups. You need parsley flakes. You need 2 quarts of vegetable stock. And you might have to add water to make that equal 2 quarts. And you need a box of small shell pasta. You want to cook that, drain it, and rinse it and set it aside. You're also going to need olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, I'm going to get started separating the lentils and rinsing them, and then we're going to put them on to cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, I only found a few that were a little dark. They don't look like rocks though. So I'm just going to rinse these off very well. Then I'm going to put them in a pot with some water. Okay, I'm putting the rinsed lentils in the pot. And I'm going to add to that the 6 cups of water. This is a good meal for Lent because there's no meat in it at all. Oh, I keep bumping you, I'm sorry. Okay, and to this I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves. Oh, they smell so good. And a couple of cloves of garlic, and I'm going to leave these whole because I'm going to be removing the garlic and the bay leaves. And I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes once it begins to boil. And I've already got my water ready for the pasta. Now I'm going to start chopping some veggies. Okay, these have been cooking for about 7 minutes or so, and they're doing nicely. Okay, these are done. And I'm going to go through here and try to find the bay leaf. Oh, there's one of the garlics. So anyway, I'm going to get the bay leaves out of here and the garlic. And I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to start cooking the veggies. Okay, in a separate pan, putting the flame on medium, and I'm going to cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil. And that's probably 2 or 3 tablespoons. And to that I'm going to add the onions. And I'm going to cook these until they are translucent. And anyone who's new to my channel, I do have a candle burning. I do that anytime I cook with onions because it absorbs the smell of the onions in the house. Okay, they're pretty well cooked. And to this I'm going to add a can of tomatoes. The celery was about a cup. And the carrots, about a cup. Most of the time when I cook with carrots, it's the petite carrots, just because that's what I keep on hand for my snacks. I'm going to let this cook a little bit and for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to add the potatoes. Okay, now I'm going to add the potatoes. And yeah, I'm using 2 cups just because I love potatoes. And something tells me I might have to transfer this into a bigger pot. And parsley flakes. Yeah, it's going to need a bigger pot. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I got it transferred into the bigger pot. And now I'm going to add 32 ounces of the vegetable broth. And you could use chicken if you're not doing this for Lent. And 4 cups of water. And I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, this is done. Potatoes are nice and tender. And I'm going to add the lentils. And I'm going to add the pasta. And I'm putting in a couple cups, roughly. Oh, that looks so good. And once this cools down, I will be having some. Well, it's cooled down enough to taste. Oh, that's really good. Needs salt, but yeah, it's good. So much better than the canned. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.